One day, a dog is walking home with a piece of meat in his mouth. On his way back home, he crosses a river and he looks into the water. He mistakes his own reflection on water for another dog that wants to eat his meat. But as he opens his mouth to bark against the other dog, because he felt the threat, the meat falls deep into water and is never seen again. The moral lesson of the story: never be greedy. Everyone wants more. But if we are happy with what we have, like health, life, happiness, family, and home, that's enough. Even though a lot of people want more. But it's very important to reflect on the things that we have better than the things that we don't. Because at some point, you might end up with only the regrets for the things that you could have done. Greed is a very vicious circle. So be happy with what you have, give people more, help others, at the same time, be modestly satisfied with the blessings that you have. Thank you very much.